rupees 9,000 per month plus rupees 6,000 bonus plus work in top companies. And guess what? Anyone between 18 to 25 can apply. But most students still don't know about this. So in this video, I'll explain everything about PM Internship Scheme 2026, eligibility, salary, benefits, and step by step how to apply. So don't skip. This could literally boost your career. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, fresher, or someone looking for internships and career growth, then this channel is for you. Because in this channel, I post tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So you can just go through my channel and explore the videos and subscribe if you want more such contents. And also follow my social media handles for more. So this is a Government of India initiative launched to give real work experience in top 500 companies across India. So here is the best part. You'll get monthly stipend up to 9,000 and one-time grant up to 6,000 bonus, and the duration of internship will be 6 to 9 months, and you will be working in companies like SBI, Wipro, ICICI, and 500 plus companies. Next, coming to the eligibility criteria, your age must be between 18 to 25 years, and you must be a student or graduate. You must not be working in a full-time job, like should not be doing any job, and your family income should be below 8 lakhs per annum. So the scheme is especially designed for freshers and students to gain experience. Next, see why you should apply for this. Because you'll get real work experience, you'll get a certificate which is very important for your resume. You'll be having a chance of networking with professionals. You'll be learning industry level skills. And this is government backed opportunity. So you should not miss this. And this can literally help you get your first job. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. This is one of the best government internships available right now. Apply fast before the seats gets filled. By the way, if you want more updates like this, internship jobs and opportunities, make sure to subscribe now and share this with your friends, because many people are missing this chance. So now let's see the login and registration process and also how to apply for it. And also you can explore the website. You can see you need to apply for any 3 internships. You need to compare internships before applying, and you need to read the details very carefully. You can see the top companies from here. You can also check the eligibility. So without further delay, let's begin. So here also you can check your eligibility. Just click on check eligibility. So here there are few options for the question. Are you pursuing any education or skilling program? You can select which is suitable for you. So if you are pursuing from regular school or college or ITI polytechnic institution, then you are not eligible for this. When you click, you'll get the pop-up like this. So who are eligible is a final year student who is final year graduate or postgraduate student will be eligible, or who are pursuing education from online or from distance. Education from distance, they are eligible. And if you're not pursuing any education or skilling program, then you're eligible, because these students will have time to do this internship, right? So they are eligible. So as you can see, those who are pursuing any degree, they are not eligible, because like they have to attend the classes, they need to go to college. That's the reason they are, and they can't spend enough time to do this internship. That's the reason they are not eligible for this internship. So if you are not pursuing any course now, you can just simply apply. You can select anything from these three. Then you'll get your highest qualification, like what you have completed. They will be asking, you need to give, and based on this also they may say you're eligible or not. So check it properly, give it properly, and check if you're eligible. You can apply, and if you're not, you need to wait for other opportunities. And I'm already posting opportunities in my channel. You can just go through it. And recently I have posted Infosys Springboard internship, and the last date has been extended till April 5. If you haven't watched that video yet, go and watch it immediately. So you can check, right? You need to give like what they are asking, and based on that also they may tell if you are eligible or not. After giving all the details, they'll tell once you're eligible, you can apply for the internship.
Like if anyone is doing government jobs, they might not be eligible, and your annual income should not more than 12 lakhs per annum. So finally, when you're eligible, you'll get like this: congratulations, you're eligible, now you can apply for the internship.
So from here you can explore the website. You can see here. So from the featured internships, you can see the internships will be posted here regularly. So keep checking this website and check application deadlines carefully. Visit often to explore and apply. So now let's see how to apply for the internships and how to log in or register in this portal. So here you can see you can apply for up to 3 internships. You need to compare internship before applying, which will be best for you. So from here you can select your state in which you are living now, and district, sector, like which sector you want to work. If you want to work in IT and software development, you can select this, or other than IT and software development, if you have interest in any other thing, you can go with that and select fields in which field you want to work. So I also tried like Andhra Pradesh in NTR district. There is one opportunity, and who are in need of job, you can apply for this. Can click on view details. This is actually sales intern showroom staff. Only one opportunity. 12th passed qualification, and you can see the application ended is 15th April, and you will be having the internship for 6 months. Already 40 candidates applied, and the mode of internship will be in person. That is, you need to go to the office. These are the address, and see the pin code. Here you can see required qualification is 12th and course is any. So there are not much restriction for this. Only if you're 12th pass, you can apply for this. And you can also view the details, you can view the location on map too.
Come back, and here you can see login and register. Click on that, and don't worry, I'll give the link in the description. You can check out from there.
If you're new here, you should register. And if you already have account in this previously, you can just log in. Okay. So I'm not sure if I have account already in this, so I'll just register now. You need to give your mobile number, and then you should click I confirm that provided number is unique, and you should click on submit. So after submitting, you'll get this like consent form. You need to check this box and click submit. So my number is already registered, so I'll log in now. You can also check this way, okay? And if you forgot your password, you can just reset it, okay? So be careful while entering the password, because it will be blocked for 15 minutes if you enter incorrect password for 3 consecutive attempts. Okay, so I'll just reset my password. For resetting, you need to give your mobile number, then click on submit. Then you need to give the captcha here and click on submit. So you'll get a OTP. You can enter that OTP here and click on submit. Then you need to give the password and confirm password. Click on submit. And while logging in, please check if your location is enabled. Otherwise, you can't log in again. Just click this login again. So you don't have to apply what I'm telling. You can search various things, and you will be having different states, different districts. So check everything properly and apply for 3 internships. Okay. And also once explore this website, like where are the internship available, and you can explore this, how many internships there, what are the companies, and also once go through it. Okay. And you can get other internship opportunities very nearest to your location. See, I have few locations nearest to my locations. So I'll apply the one which I was showing before. This one. Click on view details now. So you'll get this page. You need to complete your EKYC here. You need to give your Aadhaar number and check this box. Your captcha. Then click on send OTP. Verify and proceed. And here is a note: if profile information such as name, date of birth, gender, address does not match, please share the screenshot of the issue you are facing. By raising a request on PM Internship portal, you can raise a request through homepage or through the grievance tab in your account. So if anyone is facing any issue, you can refer this. So I'll fill the details and show you the next process. Stay tuned. So click on send OTP. Then enter the OTP here and click on verify the OTP. So after clicking verify OTP, it will show verified. Then you can click on verify and proceed. Then you need to fill your personal details, address details, and contact details. So after filling all the details, you can click save and next. And if you want to edit any details, you can click previous or edit. So once done with your eKYC verification, you can apply it now. Click on apply now. Yes. First you need to select 10th and then 12th and then diploma and graduation if any. After filling the 10th details, click on add qualification and add your 12th details. In a similar way, after filling the 12th details, you need to click on add qualification. If you pursued any degree, you need to add that degree details, and if you have not pursued any, you should not click on add qualification. Okay. After 12th only you should stop. You should not select any other. And after filling the skills and language, you can click on save and click on as. Save and next you will be redirected to this page. Click on apply now. Click on as. Also you can post a introduction video here. You need to verify your Aadhaar from profile section. First verify it. Let's verify it. Click on my profile here. Here you can see click here for Aadhaar seeding. Click on that. Are you sure you want to proceed with Aadhaar seeding? So here Aadhaar seeding is nothing but linking your Aadhaar account. So click on OK. So I'm currently facing this issue because of server down. I'll try it again. If you also get the same error, please try after some time. Maybe like try when there is no more traffic, like you can try in early morning or late night. Then most of the people will be not trying, right? So you can try at the time, it will be hopefully done. And after that, you can apply easily the process which I said. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And share this video with as many people as you can share, because many might be in need of job. If you share them, they'll be really thankful to you. So, and finally, if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and do subscribe for more updates. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.